ẹ káàárọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ Olóyinka TNT. Nígbà tí màá fi jí láàárọ̀ yìí, mo ti rí oríṣiríṣi comment. Madam, it's not like that. Madam, kìnìkan. A ní ká rọra sọ ká fewé bò. Ẹ máa ń jẹ́ kéèyàn sọ. Mo ti ní ẹni tí ò bá lè ní wisdom àti interpret ọ̀rọ̀ mi lórí platform mi kó má wá sórí platform mi. Ẹ má tanra yín, and I stand to be corrected. You cannot tell me, you women, ipe bí òbò yín ṣe ń react, bí òbò yín tó ṣe ń gba okó bó ṣe ń react when you were 30, 25 ló ṣe ń react nsìn. Mo lè ẹ lọ argue ẹ lọ́rùn, I don't care. I will stand there and I will argue it out. I will stand there and I will argue it out. When you are 30, àwa ṣe analysis lérí bó ṣe máa ń react. When you are 30, òbò ẹ tó bá jẹ́ ti type tó ń lo birth control, òbò ẹ ò ní máa ní wetness, because birth control máa stop ovulation ni. Tó bá dẹ̀ ti ovulate, òbò ẹ ovulate dáadáa, ò ní lè máa wet dáadáa. So tó bá wà your 30s, tó bá ti ń lo birth control, òbò ẹ ò ní máa wet tààrà. Tó bá ti wá gbẹ́nu dé perimenopause àbí premenopause, òbò ẹ ò ní máa wet tààrà, wá máa ní dryness. Ìwọ tó ló ní 40 ní ẹ pé tọkọ ẹ bá dẹ̀ do ẹ, òbò ẹ máa ń wet dáadáa. Lọ béèrè lọ́wọ́ wàhálà tí ọkùnrin ṣe kóbò ẹ tó wet. Àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké, àwọn ọmọ 25, 30 tó bá ti ń fọwọ́ kàn wọ́n báyìí lára wọn ti ń da omi. But when we are in our mid 40s to 50, òbò wa ò ní wet tààrà, because except you want to tell me that you only àpò ọ̀tọ̀ nínú ẹ tí estrogen ẹ tó fi ń pump sínú òbò ẹ. Because at that time, tó bá ti ń fẹ́ máa súnmọ́ menopause, dryness á máa wọlé nítorí pé estrogen level ẹ ti drop. And when you are not ovulating, òbò ẹ ò ní wet tààrà. Ẹ yé tanra yín. It's what nǹkan tí bó ṣe wà látètè kọ́ ṣe nìyẹn. Stop, ẹ má tanra yín. Tí n bá ti sọ̀rọ̀, I will not come and say things tí mi ò tí bá doctor sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀, tí mi tí get to the bottom of it. Tí bá dẹ̀ sọ, tí mo ra sọ lóró ìfẹ́, ẹ má jẹ́ kí n máa tún ṣùdé tàlẹ̀ òkòkò. Tá bá wà in our 30s, tá bá lo birth control, òbò wa máa ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa. But the moment you introduce yourself to birth control, tẹ́ máa ń pè ní pills, ó máa fa dryness. Nítorí the birth control ó máa stop ovulation ni. Tó bá wà in your 40, tó bá ti gbẹ́nu lé bí ó ti ń súnmọ́ menopause, irun òbò ẹ máa wà thinner. Irun òbò ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa turn grey. Nítorí pé ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò pump dáadáa sínú òbò mọ́. Irun òbò á dẹ̀ máa go thinner tó bá ti ń lọ bí 50. Bí irun òbò ṣe ń gùn kan ló ṣe máa gùn mọ́. Nítorí gbogbo àwọn nǹkan tó pump estrogen level yẹn ti ń drop. You are reaching your ó ti ń súnmọ́ menopause ẹ. When you get to menopause, tó ti wà bí wàá rí pé tó bá wà between 45, 47 gan, menstruation ni ó máa ṣe ségesège, kò ní ṣe déédéé mọ́. So nígbà tí menstruation bá ti ń ṣe ségesège, kò ní ṣe déédéé mọ́, nínú kó wá ní month kan kó má wá ní month kejì, ó mean pé ó ti ń gbẹ́nu lé menopause yẹn, ó bú ẹ ò lè ṣiṣẹ́ mọ́ déédéé bó ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ tẹ́lẹ̀, ó ò lè dá mi lóbò bó ṣe ń dá mi lóbò tẹ́lẹ̀. Ìwọ tó bá sọ proof otherwise, tó tí ọkọ ẹ dẹ̀ ń wá tó ń pariwo pé òun gbádùn òbò ẹ, mo ṣe sọ fún ẹ pé kó máa rọra máa tú ọkọ yẹn. Mi ì dẹ̀ sọ wípé kọ́kọ́ nù ẹ̀, mi ì sọ wípé kó máa gba rubbish lọ́wọ́ ọkọ, but tọ́kọ bá ti ń tọ́jú ẹ, tó ń tọ́jú ilé, tó ń tọ́jú àwọn ọmọ, máa rọra ṣe, because ọkọ tó ń dú ẹ ní 47 close to 50 tó dẹ̀ ṣì ń gbádùn òbò ẹ, kò tí ì gbádùn òbò ta ni. Nígbà tó bá lọ síta tó lọ gbé ọmọ 25, 30 tí ò lo birth control, tó wá fọwọ́ kọ òbò ẹ̀ tó ṣomi wàràwàrà, tó dẹ̀ wo wàhálà tó máa ṣe kí òbò tiẹ̀ tó dami. Mi ló bẹ̀ ò ní dàbọ̀ wàhálà tí ọkùnrin máa ṣe kí òbò ọmọ tó ti ń súnmọ́ 50 kó tó dami. O lè fi wé wàhálà tó máa ṣe kí òbò ọmọ tí ò tí ì súnmọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ kó tó dami. Kò sẹ́ni tó lè sọ fún mi wípé bí òbò obìnrin ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ in their 30s ló ṣe ń ṣiṣẹ́ nígbà tó bá ti ń pé 50. Kò possible. Because when you are getting close to your 50, you are reaching, o ti fẹ́ reach menopause. And menopause man stop ovulation. To ovulation bá dẹ̀ ti stop, òbò ẹ ò lè dá mi mọ́. So when I talk, mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ pẹ̀lú authority ni. Mo mọ nǹkan tí mo ń sọ. So when you want to comment, please, you don't have, if you don't believe, you can call me and ask me to explain. Gbogbo téèyàn bá wà ní school gan, kò ṣe gbogbo nǹkan ni lecturer máa explain fún wa. Ìgbà mi wọ́n kò sọ wọ́n ní, oh yeah, go and do your research. You can call me and ask me to explicate. Tell me to explicate. Tell me to express further that you don't understand. I will express. But rather than making derogatory comment that can, like a pulling me down, I'm not going to take it. Because mo wípé mo mọ nǹkan tí mo sọ. In your 30s, tó bá no birth control. Obo ò ní dami bí ẹni tí ò lo birth control, because birth control, the essence is to stop ovulation, to prevent you from getting pregnant. And when you do that, you kill your level of your estrogen. So obo mama feel dryness, then you will require the use of water-based lubricants. Then toba, when you are in your mid 30s to 50, to wà nínú obo ẹ á máa thin out. Because o ti ń súnmọ́ menopause. Even your period, o mama ṣe ségesège, kò ní wá tààrà mọ́. Ó lè wá lóṣù yìí, kó wá lọ́la. Tó bá ń ṣe ọjọ́ márùn tẹ́lẹ̀, ó lè drop sí ọjọ́ mẹ́ta. Tó bá ń ṣe lọ́jọ́ mẹ́ta tẹ́lẹ̀, ó lè drop sí ọjọ́ kan àbọ́jọ́ méjì, kò ní rush, because o ti ń prepare for menopause. At that time, go and ask, how can anybody tell me that when you are going through your perimenopause or menopause, obo mama react bí obo ọmọ 25-30 ṣe mama react? Is a lie, big lie. And you cannot tell me after 3 children, àtọmọ tó ti ń dóko lójoojúmọ́ tí ò tí bímọ pé obo yìí máa feel the same. It's a lie. 0 9. Tọkọ bá ń tọ́ ẹ̀ gan pé obo ẹ dùn, ó mórí ẹ̀ wù ní, má tanra ẹ̀. Tọkọ ẹ̀ máa ní obo ẹ ó dùn, kò fẹ́ kó mọ̀ pé òun ti ń ṣètà ni. Kò bá lè believe pé obo ẹ ń dùn mọ́ kò rota, gbà kó máa jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Kò dẹ̀ máa appreciate ọkọ yẹn. Nǹkan tí mò ń sọ fún ẹ nìyẹn. Nǹkan tẹ́mi sọ fún yín nìyẹn. I'm not saying it to run obo obìnrin down or anything, but I've told you that I'm a realist. And on this platform, if you want to hear nothing but the truth, you will enjoy it. But if you are allergic to the truth, then platform is not for you. Bí obo obìnrin ṣe ṣiṣẹ́, mo máa gbé wá fún yín. In your 20s, in your 30s, in your 40s, in your 50s. Bí obo obìnrin gan ní retirement kini. Even tí o bá ti súnmọ́ menopause gan, ìwọ tó ní ìdọ̀ tẹ́lẹ̀, ìdọ̀ á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa shrink. Ibi labial manora á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa shrink. Inú obo á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa shrink, because ẹ̀jẹ̀ ò pump dáadáa sínú obo mọ́. Ovulation try àti pack up, because you are getting close to your menopause. Ìdọ̀ á bẹ̀rẹ̀ kó ní dọ̀ pàpà, á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa shrink. Obo á bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní máa shrink. It now depends on what you feed your vagina with, what you eat. It depends on how you take care of your vagina, ló ṣe lè retain the oil yẹn. Otherwise, tó o bá ṣe, o máa ṣe ń sọ pé nígbà yẹn, try láti, ìgbà yẹn is not the best time láti kọ́kọ́. Ìgbà yẹn is the best time láti fà mọ́ ọkọ, because tó o bá kọ́kọ́ nígbà yẹn, apart from pé bóyá kò síbi wàhálà ló fúnra ẹ̀, òun harm obo ẹ, kò sí nǹkan tó lè grease obo ẹ, kò sí nǹkan tó lè fún obo ẹ ní material bí nutrient tó fẹ́ mọ́ bí ó ṣe okó. That's why I said, nǹkan tí mo sọ in the essence pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ń kọ́ ọkọ at the age of 40 something, it will make sense more, because kò sí nǹkan kan tẹ́ fẹ́ enjoy mọ́ nínú ipe bóyá mo dẹ̀ sọ mí ní pé kẹ́ gba rubbish lọ́wọ́ ọkùnrin, but ọkùnrin ò bá ti nà ẹ́, tó ti ń tọ́jú ẹ, tó ti má ti torí pé ọkùnrin lọ mutí, àbó lọ dóbò níta, àbó lọ gbé ọkùnrin kó kọ́kọ́. Nǹkan tí mo sọ nìyẹn. You understand? I'm not the kind of, you guys not the kind of person anybody can attack. Don't bá sọ̀rọ̀. If you don't understand, please call me. I will explain myself. I will take my time to explain to you, rather than trying to run me down. You cannot run me down, because I do my research before I come online. Please, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, I operate an open door policy whereby everybody has my number, and anybody can call me and talk to me. Then, Johnny Tori Olong, I choose who I want to post on my page. I don't appreciate when people keep asking me, why ti mo ṣe lo picture ẹni yìí? Why ti mo ṣe lo picture ẹni yìí? No, I'm matured. I'm a lady. I'm a woman of very close to 50. I don't think I should be controlled. I don't think I should be tamed. I think I should be left alone, you know, to operate the way I want to operate. As far as I am not crossing anybody's boundaries, as far as I am not being insultive to anyone, I think it's an insult to my personality when you keep asking me, Ipe, why did I use this picture, this person's picture? Why am I supporting this person? It is my right. I have right to liberty. I have right to free will. I have right to choose whoever I want to associate myself with. I am not a baby. I have always told people that I don't have friends, but I've got a lot of acquaintances. The person's picture I've used might be one of my acquaintances. I may not even know anyone from Adams, but it doesn't mean if I have not been chastised by or scolded by anybody from the family, I don't think anybody from my platform should be asking me or should be judging me from using anyone's picture. It is my right. If I choose to use a snake's picture on my platform, if you are not pleased with this, you don't have to even read the Adura. You don't have to go through the Adura. You don't have to say amen to the Adura. But please, respect is reciprocal. As much as I respect you people, I adore you, I cherish you, I've never taken you for granted, and I don't take you for granted. I think I deserve such from you too. I deserve a bit of respect. I deserve a bit of emo from you. Emma, don't ask me. Ipe báwo ni mo ṣe ń lo picture ẹni yìí, báwo ni mo ṣe ń ṣe kíní kan, mo support anybody. No, please. I'm a free thinker. I don't want anybody to put anything in my head. I don't want anybody to pollute my head. I'm a free thinker, and I'm free to do and to practice as a free thinker. Please. And I'm not, you will know that I am not an illiterate. You will know that my head is not empty. You will know when I do things according to how I've been directed. Ọmọ àgbà ni mí, mi ò kìí ṣe ọmọdé. Èmi ò kìí ṣe, mo mọ̀ pé mo believe nínú Olódùmarè. Ṣùgbọ́n èmi ò kìí ṣe ẹni tó máa lajúlẹ̀ tí èṣù àti ọ̀tá máa fi pa. Èmi believe nínú wípé tó bá fẹ́ pa mí, tí n bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́, tí n bá kọ́kọ́ pa, tí mo mọ̀ kó fẹ́ pa mí, tí n bá kọ́kọ́ pa ẹ́ kó tó rí mi pa kò léèwọ̀. That is ọmọ àgbà lèmi, ìdílé àgbà mo ti jáde. But please, I respect everybody, and I want you to give it to me back. Stop asking me, stop challenging me, stop controlling me. It is my platform. I started the platform. I appreciate you all for giving me, for making me known, for following me. But please, appreciate me as well. And respect me. This I ask for, please. Please, Johnny nítorí Ọlọ́run. Because mo ti rí a lot of comments tí mo ti kà lórí àwọn kiní yẹn, and I have not put the prayers there for people to say derogatory comment. To make it's just for you to say amen. Or you walk past. I beg you in the name of God. Moniki, why explain kini Obo yẹn ni? A máa pàdé lọ́la ní testimonies time. Gbogbo yẹn lọ, ẹ ṣé mo dúpẹ́. Ẹ ṣé ẹ̀yin ìyá mi, ẹ̀yin bàbá mi. God bless you all. Like I said, if there are things that I have posted that you don't understand, please, you're free to operate an open door policy. You're free to knock. You're free to call me. You're free to ask me to explicate. You're free to ask me to explain myself, express myself further or better to you. I will not hesitate to do that. I promise. I wouldn't hesitate to do that. Even when you keep calling and me ò gbé call, don't think I'm being bossy or I'm trying to be proud or kiniko. No, I be humility me of the highest order. Honestly, I'm not a proud person. I love everyone. I love everyone. I hate pride like plague. I hate pride be plague. I don't mingle, and I don't mingle with motopa full of ìgbéraga. So I'm not that kind of person. So please appreciate me as I have appreciated you, and as I am still appreciating you. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye for now.